How to upload videos to your iCloud. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to upload videos to iCloud so you can access them from any device. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have enough iCloud storage available, so go to Settings, tap on your name, iCloud, and then Manage Storage to check. If you don't have enough storage, you can simply delete some of the useless stuff. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Photos app, so if you're on a Mac, open the Photos app there too. Now, tap on Albums and find the Videos album. If you want to upload new videos, tap on the plus icon or the Import option. Select the videos you want to upload. So if you're using a Mac, you can drag and drop videos directly into the Photos app. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled. Go to Settings, tap on your name, then tap on iCloud. Tap on Photos and toggle on iCloud Photos. This will automatically upload your videos to iCloud whenever they're taken and saved on your phone. Now wait for the upload, as once uploaded, your videos will be available across all your devices signed into iCloud. Just ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi for faster uploads. And that's how you upload videos to iCloud. Now you can easily access your videos anywhere. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.